They say some machines are built to fly a broken bar, but a few are built to dominate the sky. Imagine a fighter jet so agile it feels alive, so versatile it can switch roles mid-mission, and so battle-tested that decades later it still terrifies enemies and inspires pilots. This is not science fiction. This is real. And today, you're about to discover why one jet changed modern air warfare forever. Welcome to US Armor Zone, the channel where power, engineering, and military history come together. If you are passionate about advanced machines, legendary weapons, and the technology that shapes global power, you are in the right place. Today, we dive deep into one of the most iconic fighter jets ever built by the United States of America, the legendary F-16 Fighting Falcon. The F-16 Fighting Falcon is a multi-role fighter aircraft developed by the United States, designed to achieve air superiority while remaining capable of ground attack, reconnaissance, and precision strike missions. Originally built as a lightweight day fighter, it evolved into one of the most flexible combat aircraft in the world. Its purpose was simple but ambitious: give pilots absolute control, unmatched agility, and overwhelming combat effectiveness at a lower cost than heavy fighters. The story of the F-16 begins in the early 1970s, during the Cold War, when the US Air Force realized it needed a new generation of fighters. Heavy aircraft like the F-15 delivered power, but they were expensive. The US wanted a lightweight fighter that could outmaneuver opponents, accelerate faster, and survive intense dogfights. Engineers focused on aerodynamics first, a relaxed static stability, fly-by-wire controls, and a design that pushed the limits of what a human pilot could handle. When the F-16 first flew, it shocked the aviation world. It was small, aggressive, and unlike anything before it. Technically, the F-16 is a masterpiece. It is powered by a single high-performance turbofan engine capable of producing immense thrust, allowing the jet to exceed Mach 2 at high altitude. Its lightweight airframe enables incredible acceleration and climb rates. The aircraft's empty weight is kept low to maximize agility, while its maximum takeoff weight allows it to carry fuel, weapons, and advanced avionics without sacrificing performance. The cockpit has revolutionary a bubble canopy for unmatched visibility, a reclined seat to help pilots withstand extreme G-forces, and a side-mounted control stick that enhances precision. This jet was designed around the pilot, not the other way around. In terms of protection and survivability, the F-16 does not rely on heavy armor like ground vehicles. Instead, its strength lies in speed, maneuverability, electronic warfare systems, and countermeasures. Advanced radar warning receivers, electronic jammers, and flare systems help the aircraft evade enemy threats. The fuel system is optimized for long missions, with internal fuel supplemented by external tanks when required, giving the jet impressive operational range. When it comes to weapons and raw power, the F-16 is anything but light. It carries a wide range of air-to-air missiles for dogfighting and beyond visual range combat, precision-guided bombs for ground attack, and a powerful internal cannon for close-range engagements. The aircraft can be configured for different missions in a matter of hours, transforming from a dogfighter into a strike aircraft or suppression platform. This flexibility is one of the reasons it remains relevant decades after its introduction. The combat record of the F-16 speaks louder than any specification sheet. It has been used in real combat by multiple nations across the world. From air superiority missions to precision strikes in hostile environments, the F-16 has proven itself again and again. It has operated in deserts, mountains, and extreme weather conditions, maintaining performance where lesser aircraft would fail. Its reliability under combat stress earned it the trust of pilots and commanders alike. When compared to other fighter jets, The F-16 stands in a unique position. It may not be the heaviest or the stealthiest aircraft, but it offers an unbeatable balance of cost, performance, and adaptability. Against older fighters, it dominates through avionics and agility. Against newer platforms, it remains competitive due to constant upgrades and modernization. Many air forces continue to choose the F-16 because it delivers real combat capability without the extreme costs of next-generation stealth fighters. There are also fascinating facts that make the F-16 truly special. It was the first production fighter to use relaxed stability controlled entirely by computers. Without fly-by-wire, it would be impossible to fly. The aircraft can sustain extreme G-forces that push the human body to its limits. Pilots often describe flying the F-16 as wearing the jet, because the aircraft responds instantly to their movements. It has even been used as a test platform for experimental technologies that later appeared in more advanced aircraft. Beyond metal and machinery, the F-16 represents something deeper. It represents innovation, confidence, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. It shows how smart engineering can defeat brute force, how precision can overcome size, and how a single idea can change the balance of power in the skies. For pilots, it is not just a jet, it is a partner that demands skill, courage, and discipline. As the sun sets on the runway and the F-16 stands ready, silent yet powerful, it reminds us that strength is not always about being the biggest. Sometimes, true power comes from balance, intelligence, and relentless evolution. The Fighting Falcon is proof that a machine built with vision can remain legendary for generations. If you felt the power, the history, and the dominance of this aircraft, make sure you support US Armor Zone. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with fellow military enthusiasts, and comment below to tell us which aircraft or armored machine you want to see next. This is US Armor Zone, where legends of strength never fade.